the Gen 2 Crystal series from Phone Rebel. It's $29.99 and it's available for all iPhone 12 models. I'm using it with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Today we're going through my honest review with some comparisons from the first generation, respectfully without bias from being a fan of the creator. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open it. This time we have a more simple design, more congruent with the phone. You could feel the durability by how solid this case is, especially the bumper lining, which to me is its most signature feature. With its grooves and raised corners, feels like the same strong material as the first generation, except you've got full coverage this time, still nicely between rugged and luxury. Like, I choose this over any OtterBox case. More on protection and practicality after we try this on. I believe the clear back won't yellow because my 11 Pro case last year still hasn't. Without any specific instructions, I assumed you just pop it in from any side, just like Apple instructs for their cases. It's a good quality fit, airtight, where you could tell it's made for protection first. Because of that, it takes a bit more to remove and might take getting used to. My trick is to press it against my body to hold it down as I peel. The Pro model iPhones have stainless steel that easily scratch, so be careful when taking it off. Apple's cases displays part of the frame of the phone, so you get to appreciate part of that design, like how some of the stainless steel shows. Those who don't like that will enjoy a more covered protection, with only a slight hint of it on the top and the bottom. This should have competitive protection, definitely more than Apple's cases. Last year the sides were exposed to enjoy the original design of the iPhone. Now it's more about protection, so all the sides are covered to be prepared for any drop. For me, it's a bittersweet change, because last year I was aesthetically pleased with the front side having the sides exposed, but didn't like the look of the back, which feels like nice glass. It reminds me of how my old iPhone 4 felt with a bumper case. You get an anti-shock bumper lining, especially the thicker corners that look ready for battle. They even add to the front and back lip, raising your phone up on surfaces, or protecting it from flat drops. The back is thick enough to protect the cameras too. Like before, anywhere you'd swipe on the edge, there's a bit of an opening so you can do it smoothly. The buttons feel tactile, so it's easy to press. Very important to me when using it as a camera shutter. All these details also keep the phone from wobbling on the table. Crystal series can charge wirelessly, but doesn't stay on the MagSafe charger, so it only acts as a regular wireless charger. You'll want the Gen 2 Rebel series for MagSafe. The bumper sides are a unique material since it's smooth yet grippy, but not rubbery, so you only need a light squeeze to hold. And it slips into pockets easily, but like last year, scoops up lint towards the edge of the screen from pockets. Comfort was highly considered here, with the material in grooves, so it's pleasant to hold. I know I rest my phone on the pinky sometimes. Anyone else out there? This even has a spot for that. Cleaning's easy. Dust comes right off, unlike rubber cases, and my pandemic-fighting alcohol routine doesn't seem to discolor anything. Facing the screen, it looks like a black case, so to me, a lot of the darker interfaces blend well with it, like dark mode. Bright interfaces make that illusion of bigger bezels. Since the entire stainless steel frame is covered, there's no visual separation, but it's no big deal. Same with wallpapers. Dark wallpapers look really good, or anything with high contrast. But I'm sure people will still not mind bright with this. In conclusion, this case feels premium. If you're in the market for a slightly rugged yet sleek case without looking like an OtterBox, this is for you. But you'll have to know for sure before you buy, unless you don't mind paying for shipment with tracking to return. It's totally understandable that it's not like Apple's return policy. Feel free to share your favorite third-party case in the comments below. I hope this helps. If so, give it a like. subscribe so you don't miss Apple's new products I'm reviewing in March. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.